Today we talk about how can you change language on your Midjourney app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just view down, click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down. You come here to language. You just click here on language. And here can you select language here on your my Jury app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.